What is up guys, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. Based on Android version 11, Superior OS is now available for Redmi Note 8 users. I've installed it on my Redmi Note 8 and after using it for some time, I have some stats that which are the things you get here, how's the performance, how's the battery backup. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Superior OS was one of the great custom ROMs based on Android version 10 which I have ever used, and based on Android version 11, how's the reaction about this build? Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started quickly. Guys, here this is Superior OS which is available for a device Gingo, which is available for a lot of devices already. I'll try to provide a link in the description for all the supported devices. This is Superior OS Excalibur official. So the previous, which was based on Android version 10, was Superior OS Phoenix if I'm not wrong, and this one is Excalibur based on Android version 11, the latest Android version. And I was super excited for Superior OS actually because Superior OS has some customization. Superior OS is good in the terms of performance and battery backup, but is it really? We also have the December latest security patch, so this is quite good, and Quicksilver kernel pre-installed. I've not tried any custom kernel yet, so not sure about if custom kernel will work or not, and if it works and how it will improve the device performance and battery backup. Not sure about that, but by the default kernel, let's take a look at the battery backup stats. Active drain almost 10% or even sometimes more than 10% per hour, which is not good, and idle drain is 0.81% per hour, which means this was I got approximately 8 to 9% of drainage in overnight, and this was not good. And if you talk about the performance is quite good, so you can say great performance but less battery backup. In my case, I'm not sure about you because everyone has their own preferences of using their devices, but in my case, after using them some time, even my device was in the deep sleep mode, and even the deep sleep mode, if you're getting almost 1% per hour of drainage, this is really bad. And in my case, I got approximately of 8% drainage in the last full night, which is a little bit of disappointing thing. And talking about the quick settings, the normal thing 3x3, and if you go here to customize them, you'll not be able to customize your rows. You'll be able to customize your columns but not able to customize your rows, so something is available here too. As always, Superior OS wallpapers app is available here. If you want to customize your Superior OS wallpapers, you can simply customize them. There are a lot of wallpapers are available. Let me show you. These are the wallpapers which you get pre-installed. You can simply download. Actually, not these wallpapers are actually not pre-installed. You need internet connection for this. This is just an app from the Superior OS. You can simply click here, and if you like that, you have the option of info, save, apply, or favorite. If I gonna apply, you have the option of choosing the home screen, lock screen, both, or set with, and after applying, the wallpaper will be applied successfully without any issues. Also, the thing is, this ROM does not come with the Google Apps pre-installed, so you need to install Google Apps on your own. And like this, you will see some apps like AOSP apps, phone, messages, and you also get the retro music pre-installed and the via browser pre-installed. These are the things which you get here. Talking about other things, the camera Google Camera Go edition is pre-installed, so this is kind of a good thing. It's really better than the normal Snapdragon camera which you get here. Google Camera Go edition is good, and also you can install other Gcam editions if you love them, if you wanted to use them. We have the Magisk version, and in my case, I'm using the Magisk V21.1, the latest version on Redmi Note 8. If you have any issues like installing Magisk 21, you'll be booted into fast boot mode. I have a video on this just uploaded yesterday night. Make sure to check it out. I will provide you the link in the description so that you'll get an idea that how you can install Magisk V21.1 without any difficulties. So if you're talking about the safety net status, in my case, I have some issues in safety net. Let me show you. Attestation failed even after applying that method, which almost works in almost every customer, whatever I have tried. If you go for the settings, I have tried the Magisk Hide option from here. I have tried the option of these Magisk Hide props config, but still it was not available. It was not working. I don't know why, but got some issues. Let me tell you one more thing, the thing which I got the issues, which I have some issues, not sure, but I had some issues. If I try out the default keyboard, let me show you by going here. The default keyboard is AOSP keyboard. You'll see no space here, but if I open the Google keyboard, which I discussed in my previous video also, there is a space behind there. Even after applying the module, even after applying all the settings, there's still space behind the keyboard, but that was working fine in the previous Android 11 ROMs. I'll try in upcoming Android version 11 based ROMs. Maybe that is the latest latest Android version 11 based ROMs bug, or not sure about just a ROM specific thing, but I am having some issues with that, but not sure about that. Maybe you will not have, maybe you will have. I just wanted to let you know. Other things, if you go for the power menu restart, and has the same kind of things. You can even add the device control, which is called CAD controls. You can enable them easily by clicking on save. You'll be able to use this kind of a play kind of thing, just a jump entertainment thing kind of a thing. You can see a network and internet connected devices, apps, battery, etc. Seems to be same here. No extra things available here. Comes up, it has some customization options, superior goodies. You already know which are the customizations you get here. Status bar, quick settings, etc. You can check it out if you want to. Other things, no extra things. There's nothing special here. If you go for the Xiaomi parts, first time in my case I'm using Redmi Note 8, and here we have some cool kind of things. USB fast charge option is available, clear speaker feature is available, Xiaomi doors, and the Mi sound enhancer at last, the vibration control strength. These are the things you get in Xiaomi parts. So something really interesting here. These were the things I just wanted to share with you. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. I'll put a link in the description for Redmi Note 8 and other devices also. Thanks for watching. Get back.